Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Rishikul Online School. Let's continue chapter 10 of history, where we are discussing about political formations in the 18th century. Dear students, in previous module we have discussed about the independent kingdoms like Awadh, Bengal, Hyderabad. And in this module we shall study about the Watan Jagirs of Rajputs and about the Sikh. So let's begin with the discussion on the Watan Jagirs of the Rajputs. Dear students, the Mughal treated even the defeated Rajputs with honor and allowed them to rule their land, which was called Watan. They were also given assignments outside their land. Such assignments were called Watan Jagirs. For example, Rajput kings of Amber and Jodhpur were granted Jagirs by Mughals for their services. Dear students, these kings enjoyed considerable independence or autonomy in the administration of the Jagirs. Dear all, with the Mughal power fading in the 18th century, the Rajputs tried to expand their control over the adjoining areas of Gujarat and Malwa. Raja Ajit Singh of Jodhpur held the Subedari of Gujarat, while Raja Jai Singh of Amber held the governorship of Malwa. They also tried to capture Mughal territories close to their Jagirs. Dear students, Raja Jai Singh, who is known as Savai Raja Jai Singh, was the most famous Rajput ruler of the period. Savai Raja Jai Singh founded the city of Jaipur, which is known as the Pink City, due to the dominant color scheme of its buildings. Let's discuss about the Sikh. Dear students, the relation of Sikhs with the Mughals weakened when Jahangir executed Guru Arjan Dev for giving shelter to Prince Khusro, who had rebelled against his own father. And the ninth Sikh Guru, Guru Tegh Bahadur, was martyred during the reign of Aurangzeb for refusing to convert to Islam. Dear students, the Sikhs became a political and military force under the leadership of Guru Gobind Singh, who was involved in several conflicts with the Mughals. He established the Khalsa Panth. Dear students, after Guru Gobind Singh's death, the Khalsa grouped under Banda Bahadur's leadership and challenged the Mughal authority and declared themselves independent. In 18th century, the Sikhs had organized themselves into the Dal Khalsa or the Grand Army. The Dal Khalsa comprised several smaller groups known as Jats or Misls. Dear students, the well-organized Khalsas were able to resist the Mughals and later the invader Ahmad Shah Abdali, who had managed to capture the province of Punjab and the Sarkar or Sarhind from the Mughals. Dear students, the Sikhs were united under Maharaja Ranjit Singh, who was the chief of Shukar Chakia Misl. Under him, the Sikhs succeeded in forming a Sikh state in Punjab. Dear students, Maharaja Ranjit Singh established his capital at Lahore. So dear students, that was all about this module. We shall continue this chapter in next module. Thank you.